Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube at Chads Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. So for today's lesson, we're going to take a question from one of the viewers, and they had asked me, what's the difference between high and tight and tower top? And that's a great question. So first of all, we should define those terms. So first of all, high and tight. I have a video on this. You can go watch it. Here's an example of a high and tight flag. And high and tight essentially refers to you have consolidation after an advance and consolidation near the peak of the range, usually the top third of the range, right? That's a high and tight consolidation. Here's a very good example of high and tight for Bitcoin on the weekly chart. We just had that. We broke out from that. That is high and tight. But what's a tower top? I don't know. I don't believe I've done the video on this yet. I will soon, but essentially it's a strong advance and then a pausing and showing a real weakness in momentum, right? So we'll give you an example of a tower top. Ethereum just had a tower top. You can see it right here. Strong advance and then all these spinning top in a row and all these upper shadows, all this indecision. What happened? It completed, dropped back to the midpoint of the prior candle, found support and continued. So that's the tower top, and that's the high and tight. So what's the difference, though? Well, the biggest difference is going to be with a tower top, you have these spinning top or these indecision candles, right? You have a strong move up, and then you have the series of small bodies. Whereas a high and tight consolidation can have all types of different body structure. You can have a big body, then a small body here, another big body, a small body up here, another big body, a small body, or whatnot. And you're still consolidating high and tight. Whereas the tower top, it goes up and then just kind of stalls. It's stalling, going sideways, and you're getting all these stalling, indecision, momentum loss type of candles. So that's a very, very good question. Like what is the difference? They generally look the same, but it has to do with the candle bodies contained within the consolidation after the advance. Move up with a whole bunch of spinning tops. That's a setup for a tower top. Straight up consolidation with varying candle body sizes, often like a bull flag, slightly falling. Again, like we had here on the Bitcoin Weekly, beautiful, beautiful high and tight, as opposed to the tower top on Ethereum. This is a great suggestion for a video, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks. Hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Chads out.